Nike is set to release the Air Force 1 Low Velvet Brown for fall 2025, delivering a rich, monochromatic twist on the 40-year-old classic. Crafted entirely from deep chocolate leather, covering overlays, swooshes, tongue, liner, laces, and outsole, the shoe's tone is broken only by a metallic silver AF1 lace dubrae for a refined highlight. Built with the iconic cupsole and air cushioning, it ensures lasting comfort, while the pivot point rubber tread provides dependable traction. This season-ready design channels understated luxury, making it equally suited for casual wear or elevated styling. The release continues Nike's tradition of proving that minimal color blocking and timeless construction remain relevant in modern sneaker culture. Expected to drop later this fall through Nike.com and select retailers, the Velvet Brown Air Force 1 Low fuses heritage, durability, and sophistication, cementing its place as a versatile must-have in any autumn footwear lineup.